Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Today's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, and Bitcoin dominance. And I want to explain to you guys what's going on with some of the altcoins. Why isn't Ethereum running with Bitcoin? Why isn't Matic or Cardano or Solana? Why are they going down and Bitcoin's going up? We're going to explain that. I'm going to get into details about that, and I want to explain what's going on here. First of all, we're going to look at the Bitcoin chart, guys. We drew this trend here yesterday, this channel. We came up out of the channel, okay? This is on the 4-hour right now. We're on the 4-hour chart. And we actually bounced back off my line at 56,789. So that did work as support. But this is on the 4-hour. This is looking top heavy, but the bounce is looking okay right now. Let's see what happens. There's still 40 minutes till the daily candle closes. So if this starts to drop and get ugly, and it doesn't, and it ends up closing underneath this 56, let's say 700 area, then yeah, we could look for more downside if we get a 4-hour candle closing or the daily closing under there. Because then, if it gets rejected, it can get ugly. But I'm still looking for my upper target here up at 58,400 area, give or take a couple bucks. I'm still looking at that as my target. And if that breaks, then I'm looking at 59. What is that? 59,590 area, and then 61,700 area. Okay. To the upside. To the downside, like I said, I want to see this 56. Basically, you could say 789. I have that on my chart. Then I want to see the 56 100 area hold and the 55 873 area hold. This could be also a potential bounce area, guys. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. If we do start to fall back down, so be aware of that, guys. Let's move on to Ethereum. Ethereum, guys, we came up, we broke out, and everything was looking good, and people thought, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going up, so let's get into that Ethereum. Well, we got a nice bounce here off our trend. So I drew this trend line. We got the perfect bounce, guys, right off my line here. Okay, I think I was doing the video yesterday. I'm pretty sure when I said, "Oh, guys, we're getting the bounce right now." I don't even know if I had this trend at the time. I think I just had the line with no trend, and we were calling the bounce as I was doing the video. I'm pretty sure of that. But anyways, we got the bounce. We came up. We came out of this trend. Beautiful move. Hit like we were. Let's see. We were like $7 away from our target. But guys, like I always say, you always take profits a little bit before your target. You always want to take some profits before it. Okay, $10, $20 before, take it. Just take it, and then move your stop loss up. And then if it starts to drop, at least you're making some money there. That's just what I do. And then we fell back into this pattern, which was nasty. Okay. We did get a bounce, though, off of 3464 area. Let's see here. What do we got right here? Oh. Well, that's 30 right there. Okay, so I like to see the 3463 area hold. If we roll over and fall under there, then we just don't want to break this trend. So I want to definitely see this 3385 hold. If that doesn't hold, then we could get ugly. It could get ugly. It could go down to 3271 and 3216 area and 3151 area. I'm not saying that's going to happen. Now, if we get a candle closing, I'm just saying if it does, it's what we look out for. So if a 4-hour candle closes and we get a bounce and it gets rejected and then goes back underneath this area, then we're going to be looking for downside. Now, if a candle closes under here, under the trend, and we get a bounce and we come back up here, then we can be looking for more upside. Okay, guys? So just keep that in mind. We want the candles to close out of here. Now, For the upside, we're going to bring this down because we were about, what, $7 short. To the upside, 36.24, 36.48 area. And we definitely want to clear the 37.10. If we can do that with a 4-hour, then maybe, like I said, we can move up to our higher targets, which is at 38.38 and 39, and then the $4,000 area. Okay, so that's for Ethereum. Let's see if we can get back out of this pattern. And I'm going to go over why things aren't moving with Bitcoin as much as you would think. But Matic, we came down. We hit our targets here. We got a bounce, but now we're getting rejected at the $1.24 area that we talked about in yesterday's video. We did get a bounce off the $1.21, $1.22 area. Let's see if that holds. My main area actually, and I didn't draw this up. I had this line at $1.20, but I should have drew this because this is actually a very important area to hold. We want to see $1.20 and $1.21 area hold, because if that folds, then $1.17, $1.15 would be on deck, and then $1.13 and $1.09. Okay, if we do get a 4-hour candle closing above $1.24, $1.25, then I would want to see us get past a 4-hour above the $1.27 area and break this trend. If we can break this trend, we might get something like this where we can break this trend, get rejected, come back down here, retest, then break it. If we come back up and we retest and fall back in here, that'll look ugly, guys. Now we can get a wick, but we don't want a daily we don't want an hour or 4-hour candle closing back under here. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Matic. And if we do break to the upside, I want to see us get past 135. First 130, 135, and then the 144 area. Okay. That's to the upside for Matic. 144 would be my top target on this particular move. See Cardano. Cardano, we actually fell out of our pattern here, guys, and we hit my line. Whoop, 210? We had 210, almost 210, 7, 8. So we were literally like not even a quarter of a penny off. So beautiful move. You take this, you look for this bounce right here. We got the bounce. Hopefully this holds. If that doesn't hold, then I'll be looking for the 214.5 to hold trend. If that doesn't hold, then we're back down to that let's say 211 mark. 210, 211. And if that doesn't hold, 206, 202, and then 197, and then this 190 to 187 area. Okay. Now to the upside, we want to see a 4-hour candle closing, 4-hour candle close above 218. Then we want to break trend, get past this 217, $2.21, and if we get, like, same thing, guys, with Matic. If we get past here, we come back here and we bounce off this trend, boom. We want to get past this 225, 227 area. Then we can get back up into this area, which is right around $2.37 and $2.40. Now, if we get rejected here and come back down this pattern, then, of course, that would be bearish. And we're talking about an hour or 4-hour candles closing, okay, guys? Not wicks. Okay, not a wick, but a close. And then if it closes and open, like for example, it closed out of here, we got a bounce, and then it closed here, but then it came back up into the pattern on the very next candle. Now, if you see it close and it gets like this is teaching. I'm teaching you guys something right now. If you get a bounce and you get this candle opening, and then it gets rejected here and comes back down, that's when it's bearish. But if it goes back up into the pattern, that's actually a bullish sign. So let's see what happens there. We're going to check the Bitcoin dominance in a second. That's running the market. So that's it for Cardano. Solana, same thing. We're still in this. We're still in this channel right here. We got to bounce off the bottom of the channel. Perfect at the 140 area, and then we broke this little trend that I had here but it didn't do much. It kind of wicked, and now we're coming back and we're retesting. It looks like the 143. I'm going to get rid of that 142. So I want to see 143 hold up. If that doesn't hold up, then, let's see if this 140 holds up. And then we'd be looking for the 135, 132 area, 128, and then the 116, okay? Now, if this does hold and we keep going up in this pattern, I want to see a 4-hour candle closing above this, let's say 146 area. And if we do break out of that, same thing, guys, just like we talked about, we could come up here, get rejected off 150, get a bounce and go. If we fall back into this pattern, no good. If we get the bounce, that's bullish. Falling back in is bearish. Now we can wick it and then come back up and close the candle above here. That's fine. Okay. Now to the upside, I'd be looking for 4-hour candle closing above 150 and then 156 and 160 area would be my target. And then to the top side of this move, 165 to 170 area or 169 area. Okay, guys. So that's what we have for Solana, Shib Nation. Guy, unbelievable, guys. This thing's up 15% when everything else is just, it's the gift that keeps on giving. You guys seen it here first on my channel. I've been talking about it. I was trying to give you guys free SHIB. I was doing everything I could when we were all the way down here in this area down here. Okay. I was the whole time saying, guys, buy, get this. I'm not a financial advisor. Get it down here, guys. Go to my link, get free SHIB, do everything you can. Get on Webull, because it was on Webull before it was even on Coinbase. And then when I said, if you got Coinbase, get SHIB. And then boom, we took off. Okay. And I had my trend line. I had everything drawn up. We nailed this perfect. We've been talking about, and guys, my channel is only 3 months old, so it's not like I've been doing this forever, but and I appreciate you guys subbing and keeping this thing going. But SHIB, we came out of this little pattern here, which you could have drew from the top, but it still lines up with this, so it doesn't matter. But we came out of our pattern. We broke to the upside. We got our retest perfect right here. Got the retest. Bounced. Okay. Perfectly came up, got really, really close to our target here, our target area. Actually, is this? I swear I had it on there. Huh. I thought I hit this target perfect. But anyways, either way, guys, even if you took it at 31.68, you still took it at pretty much the high where our line is right now, which we did actually hit it right here on the 1-hour chart. The first green candle actually nailed it perfect. And then we came down. We got our perfect bounce right off look at this, guys, perfectly. Right off the 28.53. So I'd like to see that area hold. And I'd also like to see us get a daily candle close, which we might, above the 30 area, the 29.90 area. Now, if we do fall under there with a 4-hour or the 29.50, then I would like to see this 28.73 to 28.53 area hold where we got our bounce. Now, if that doesn't hold, then I would like to see this area down here hold. Let me get rid of this. And let me get rid of this. That was too much. I must have accidentally hit too many lines. But the 27.64 hold, 27.20, and then we'll be looking at 26.66, okay, and 26.91 area, okay. So I like to see that hold. Now to the upside, guys, I would like to see us get a 4-hour candle closing above this 31.68 area. If that can happen, then I'll be looking for these higher highs up here at 32.39 and 33 even. And then we're going to go for our bigger target all the way up here at 35.70 and 3,700 even. Okay, so that's for SHIB. Now, guys, we're going to talk about Bitcoin dominance and what's going on with this in the market currently. Because I got to get this video out to you. It's already 14 minutes long. But Bitcoin dominance, guys, it is coming down a little bit, which is good for the altcoins. That means maybe Ethereum, which it should be. Yeah, it's going back up. Okay, so maybe we can get a move on Matic and Solana and Cardano and some of these altcoins. Maybe they could start rising if Bitcoin dominance starts to go down. So here's how it works, guys. If Bitcoin dominance starts to go up like this, Bitcoin will go up. It'll sky and it's looking strong. The only problem is the altcoins don't go up with Bitcoin, or they actually start to fall. They actually start to drop. So like right here, we saw a bigger drop. This is on the 4-hour. This is we saw the bigger drop here. Then we saw a little drop here. We saw a little drop here. And as it rises, not even as it actually as it drops. I'm sorry. Let me take that back, guys. What am I doing? When this rises, the altcoins drop. Bitcoin goes up. I mean, Bitcoin goes up either way when this is going up. But when this goes down is when you see the altcoins rise. So this is why you see it going down right now. That's why we're seeing Ethereum and stuff going up, because we want to see the red on the Bitcoin dominance. If you're in Ethereum, if you're in altcoins, you want to see the red. Okay, you want to see red candles. Okay, so we want to see this going down. Now, getting a 4-hour candle closing above this 45, I don't want to see that if you're in altcoins. But let's see what happens here. I mean, we could get hopefully it closes underneath it, which we're getting close. If it closes underneath it, then our altcoins will stay up. If it closes above this, then we could get it. It doesn't look like it's getting a bounce though right now. This candle does look ugly. So maybe we do get a little rally with Ethereum and Matic and Cardano here and Solana. Let's see if we do get a rally, guys. If we do, that'll be good for the altcoins, and Bitcoin should still keep going up. So we'll keep an eye on that. It looks like we're getting a very, very nice close on the 4-hour. Let's see if it goes green. Unfortunately, I don't have enough time here on this video. But yeah, look at this, guys. Ethereum's going up. Matic's starting to turn around. Cardano. Look at Cardano, guys. Got the bounce. It's going up. So you can. That's how you judge the market. If this starts to go red, those altcoins will turn green. Okay, and that's what you want to see. The reason that we were dropping, the Bitcoin was going up and the altcoins were dropping, because you were seeing all these green candles. Okay, on the Bitcoin dominance. So hopefully we get this closed and it drops and we get back under 44, and then we see some Ethereum, some of these altcoins start to run back up. Okay, so listen, and much love to you guys. I really appreciate you guys subbing. I'm going to put my link to Webull in the description. You guys can sign up, get that free SHIB, sell those shares. If you deposit $100, you get 3 free shares using my link. Then you can sell those shares and get some free SHIB. Also, if you share, you get some free SHIB if you share your link. So keep that in mind, guys. Also, I'm going to put my Twitter account in the description so you guys can check me out on Twitter as well. Listen, much love to you guys. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys sub to my videos, because we're nailing all these targets perfect. I can't do, there's nothing more I can do. I'm putting in the effort, and I'm doing it all for you guys, just for a peace of mind for some of you guys. Listen, much love. And if you guys, you guys set your orders. Look at this. You guys set your orders here. You guys set your orders here. Look at these bounces. Okay. You're making money. So much love to you guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just educational purpose only. Much love to you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching. Have a great night. Peace out.